Well, I got another update on the electrical for the new house build here. We actually just had a pole installed this morning, so that's pretty much ready to go to run the wire from the panel I installed here over to that, which then eventually will run from here all the way back to the house. I've explained in previous video when I was installing this that we're basically just going to use 4/0 from this panel to the pole. And then the long run, because we have to deal with voltage drop, we're going to have use 500 MCM to make sure we don't have any, not that we won't have any drop, but probably will stay within the 3% total drop all the way from here to the home. So the plan will be for the next few days, get over here and dig a small trench, get some sand in, put the direct buried cable, hook everything up, and we'll then get it inspected and be able to get the energy company to come back, provide power, hook up the cables that I'll leave for them at the top, and then we'll have power here at the top of the driveway. That's pretty much was the goal for the end of this season here before we start to build in spring. That way all that's left to do is just run the main cable out to the house. We've also done a lot of site work here last week. A little bit more work on relocating the ditch. We were able to get all of the trees that we cleared out into the field over here, where we'll burn some of it. Some of it we've left here that we still need to clean up. So that's pretty much where we're at. I think the next step is basically just getting this driveway boxed out, get some stone in there, and relocate the rest of this ditch. So hopefully the next few days we get a little bit better weather. It's just chilly right now, a little bit of snow, but nothing that's stopping us from getting this done. The goal is basically just get the pad ready, get the ditch relocated, get the driveway in, get the electric hooked up at the road, and that's it. So I'll definitely have another video in a week or so, or a few weeks, when we get the rest of this wrapped up, and she'll be ready to start building in spring. And if you guys want to check out the other videos I have, a lot of updates on the build so far. If you haven't, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you haven't already. We'll see you guys on the next one.